Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Greetings all, and yes, today's little adventure is back to one of my favourite places today. And the reason I wanted to come here is because it's been a bit of a busy summer for me and I haven't been able to get out during the summer period. So yeah, I thought today, up nice early, and I'm going to come here. And the reason why I like to come here is because I'm quite secluded, I'm out of the way, and I love the views and that from here, and it's I don't know, just something about it. The waves and everything. It's just so calm. It's lovely. Yeah, and we'll be dodging showers because we've obviously got a bit of rain coming in, which is pretty good because we think we need it. You know, the grass and everything's all dying everywhere. It's all brown, and yes, it's going to be nice. And as you can see from out there, there is so many moody clouds. Now, I've got here for the sunrise, even though I wasn't going to catch it because obviously the big bank of clouds over the back over there. And yeah, but as that sun comes up, we should get some different colours and stuff in that, in the clouds and that over there. And I'm going to say I was hoping for a little bit more of a movement in the sea to try and get a bit artistic and that, but I don't think it's going to happen. Might get a shot, but I don't think it's going to happen. So yeah, and I've just set up, turned my camera on, and my battery needs changing. That sums it up, don't it, really? Made sure that I've got my batteries ready for that, all the mic and everything was all charged up, and I forgot my main one. It's a good job I bring spares. I'm near to the pier side of Buckshore here. Normally I tend to go a bit closer to the wall. I've moved this a little bit over, sort of not quite middle, but more probably about 3/4 of the way across. And it's quite a nice composition because you get the beach, or it's a shingle beach, running sort of down from the bottom left corner of your shot. It runs right the way across, it curves around, and then obviously you've got the buildings and the bell tower, which has got some scaffolding on it at the moment, so I imagine they're doing probably a bit of work on it. History behind that. Yeah, it's quite nice, and the clouds are not much light breaking through at the minute, but I think as that sun's going to come up, it should bring a nice bit of varied light, and the wind's getting up, so there's a bit of a sign the rain's coming in. So yeah, so what are we on? We are, it's a little bit dull, so I'm putting the ISO up a little bit to about 400. Yeah, so about 20 of a second f10, ISO 400. So we'll see what this one gives. Hold on a minute, actually I need to make sure I put my 2-second timer on, which we have done. Reasons for that is when you push your button, there's a chance for the camera to settle, so you don't you pick up that wobble. And this one is nice, plain and simple. Oh, that's quite peaceful, really, that is. So I just could probably just hang around for a little bit and see if anything changes, or I might probably walk a bit further around. It doesn't appear to be happening. I'm hanging around for a bit. Just, the cloud's starting to, yeah, it's not letting much light through. It's not doing what I want it to. So, but it's gone past the sunrise, so I should start seeing some different colours. It's just not really happening. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bit of a walk round and see if things start to change a little bit. And I can see a little bit of glow, but there's just no gaps in the cloud to get any decent colours. The cloud's a bit too thick. This is all part of the enjoyment in that, I suppose, is waiting for things to happen. And I'm walking on rocks, and because I wasn't expecting to walk on rocks, I've got the wrong shoes on. Hang on. At least it's not been raining too much during the night, so it shouldn't be too slippy. I mean, it's always good that obviously you plan where you're going, what you're doing, but there's one thing that you can't control, and you'll find this is things like the weather. The weather can change quite rapidly, you know, especially in the UK. It can 1 minute it can go from absolutely bright sunshine to throwing it down with rain to blazing, scorching hot weather to snow. And would you believe it? The rain started. It's this big bloody cloud over here. So yeah, I'm gonna head back to the car. The only thing is not weather sealed. Oh, right, I don't plan on getting wet. I might sit in the car for about 10-15 minutes, see if it passes. But anyway, until the next time, take care, stay safe. I'll see you soon.